Welcome to the RUIYI channel. Today I will introduce our factory to you. We have 20 years of experience in rapid prototyping, focusing on CNC machining, sheet metal manufacturing, mold manufacturing, and providing surface treatment of various materials. The factory covers an area of 10,000 square meters and has more than 200 advanced CNC machine tools. Whether it is simple turning and milling or complex and precise 5-axis and 6-axis machining, whether it is rapid prototyping or mass production, it can well meet production needs. In terms of machining accuracy, we can implement strict tolerances, and the machining accuracy can reach plus or minus 0.01 millimeters to plus or minus 0.015 millimeters. We have a professional team that focuses on CNC programming and continuous optimization of machining technology, helping you solve manufacturing problems while minimizing production costs. After machining, the burring, grinding, and polishing are all completed by our experienced masters. We have advanced coordinate measuring machines, micrometers, altimeters, roughness meters, hardness testers, and other quality inspection instruments. Each of your parts is quality inspected by professional quality inspectors. We strictly follow the ISO 9001 certified quality management system to ensure that the parts meet quality standards and exceed your expectations. Don't forget to like, collect, and follow us. See you next time.